Hello, aspirants. I'm Indumati Karthikeyan from INCAR IAS Academy. Today, we are going to discuss about the 1 week before your examination. What should be you should do in this exam, and what should you prioritize? What are the IY topics, and what are the things you have to do in this 1 week? First 1 to 3 days, you have to make your core revision in the high yield topics like focused area of polity. You have to focus fundamental right duties, DPSP, parliament, president, emergency provision, and also you should concentrate more on the modern history regarding the spectrum. Our Inca IAS Academy books, 1857 Congress sessions, important movements, acts. You should concentrate more on the environmental topics, static topics, plus current affairs, and also species, conventions, protected areas, and you have to read geography, that is mainly the maps, climate, rivers, soil, agriculture. These topics very much important for your preliminary side. So, and also you have to concentrate more on the economic budget, survey highlights, and also economic survey, important schemes, the basics of fiscal deficit, inflation, repo schemes. So you have to more concentrate on the science and tech side, because only current affairs will link with the all the missions of ISRO, and also vaccines. What are the A terms will be come in the news itself. So everything you have to cover in first 1 to 3 days. So read short notes. You have to make a notes, and you have to recall it again and again. The core method for this first 3 days strategy, first of all, read the short notes, one pages, and also you have to read the fact, and also you have to revise the previous year questions and also related themes. These are the method you should do the first 3 days. And second, fourth, and fifth day, what you have to do, you have to take one full test in GS and also CSAT for your real exam, and also you have to review your mistakes, what are the doubtful question, and also you have to eliminate the based logic, and also very helpful in your actual paper. So you have to do these things, and also you should focus this fourth and fifth day mainly on the government schemes, reports, bodies, mapping India, and also world maps, places in news as national parks, tiger reserves, Ramsar sites, and what are the international organization. So you have to concentrate more on these days, four and five, fifth day. You have to concentrate on these topics with the current affairs. And day sixth, you have to revise. That is a flashcards. You have flashcards. You can prepare the flashcards and last minute facts, and also marked errors. What are the errors you done in the previous your mock test? You have to clarify once again. You have to check out, and you have to make the final revision of all the static current affairs for last 1 year. That is very much crucial for your examination. And also you have to come across the tricky topics like arts and culture, environmental, bodies, and also the economic. These are the important focus on your sixth day. The seventh day, that is before the exam, that light review strategy is very much important for you. So you have to review static summaries, and also that is a sheets, check admit card, documents, pen ID, and also think thorough your attempt. First of all, the round one, that sure shot attempt, and elimination, and also educated guess. These three important rounds, you have to think thorough and attempt the strategy. Then sleep yearly, that is very much important. You get 7 to 8 hours of rest before the exam is necessary for you. Then only you can make your exam very much consistently and precisely. So you have to make this 7 day strategy. It will definitely help you for your UPSC exam. Thank you so much.